Am I saying hello, Hunnay?
Yeah.
Hello, Hunnay.
Not yet.
No. Am I saying hello, Hunnay again?
Yeah, you are saying hello.
Okay. Hello, Hunnay! Today is a very special day, fam. No, really, I've been waiting for this day for maybe 6 months. Baby J has a home. You're about to see our nursery for Baby J. But first, a word from our sponsor.
Perfect, those two.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Honest. The one thing I've learned as an expecting mom is that you need so much stuff for your new baby. I am so thankful that Honest, the company that I've been going to for my cleansing products, beauty products, makeup routines, also provides an amazing variety of stuff for my baby. So Honest has a really good line of products that actually have won awards, and they make a commitment to safety and transparency. I pretty much collected the entire line of Honest products, including their diapers, but I'm gonna show you the two that right now I already know are gonna be my go-tos. The first one is the Honest Urban Convertible Tote Backpack. First thing is, it has stroller straps to easily strap onto your stroller. It's made from black vegan leather that's really sturdy. And it's got these cool silver accents that make it really suitable for any outfit. This is a perfect, really wide neck size here. You could stuff it in. It's got a good flat bottom so that you can keep it on a tabletop and find all your stuff easily. Guys, it also has a changing mat, so Baby J will be super clean wherever Baby J lays his or her booty down. It also has compartments on everything, but it has every single compartment and little stash so that you have everything you need inside this one bag. Like pushing my dope stroller through Westfield Mall going to Auntie Anne's Pretzels, it's gonna be like, oh, she's so chic and so cute and she happens to have a really cute baby. Not, oh my God, I see a diaper bag walking with a stroller. So this other product that I discovered through Honest, because I've never seen anything like this, is the Honest Sprayable Diaper Rash Cream. Sprayable. Sprayable. So it's none of, it's it's hypoallergenic, physician and dermatologist tested, and not tested on animals. Cruelty-free. It seals out moisture and helps treat and prevent irritation and diaper rash. I definitely recommend moms get these two products on honest.com, or you can just click on the link below and you can see every single thing they have because it's so good. Obviously, you guys are watching this after Baby J has already arrived. I didn't want to be stressed out with live episodes when Baby J comes. If you can just understand that I want to put all the attention to Baby J when Baby J's here. I don't want to be worrying about like real-time episodes for you guys and what I can be telling you in the moment. I'd rather just like turn off everything and focus on the actual life that has been brought into our lives. I don't think you guys understand how serious it was to finish the nursery. Here's why. Just a few months ago, we basically moved into this house. Every episode you guys saw of The Real during quarantine, that was this room. So there was an old cabinet here. There was like lots of production stuff. We didn't have time to fix up the room. So the room stayed that way after The Real. Then we got married. Then we found out we got pregnant. So I never could fix the room because I thought, this is the room for the nursery. I chose this room because my office is next door and I'm out of breath. Oh my God, this is what happens at third trimester. You're like tired of yourself.
You want to sit?
No, I'm just gonna take a breath. Guys, I just ran out of breath from talking. That's crazy.
Don't collapse, please.
Okay, this room has stayed looking like a spare, gross, like abandoned room for the entire duration of the pregnancy. Just now, 2 weeks now before I'm due, I was able to pull this room together in about a week and a half.
It's coming together.
Yeah. Why is it like that? I want to give a shout out to Anissa. Anissa, my amazing assistant. I love you. Thank you for all the fun projects that we did in this room and all the late night conversations and ordering. Anissa, you, chef's kiss. I love you. The one thing I'm going to tell you moms though, right now, I'm going to tell you something that I did not do. So I'm telling you because I'm hoping you don't follow in my footsteps. You actually don't need your nursery in the beginning of your baby's stages because the first few months of the baby will probably be in a bassinet by your bed. Honestly, it was stressful to do this third trimester. It really was. So I just want to tell you guys out there, just because I'm showing you that I finished a nursery, do not feel rushed or stressed if you haven't gotten yours done. The first thing I really wanted to have, which I had in my bedroom when I was growing up, is hand-me-downs from our family. This is a hand-me-down dresser. To bring it here just kind of brought like part of the life that we already had and to bless it and to show like, you know, we like to be able to just continue the family tradition of sharing products. Changing table, I don't know what this is really, I don't know. I just know you have to have one of these. Isn't this cute? How cute is this, guys? I got this at Target. And look at, again, everything I shopped for had to be okay for boy or girl, which actually made me really excited because you realize how many times you stop yourself from cornering your kid into a boy or a girl thing. And I really enjoyed shopping and getting everything gender neutral. Important pictures, especially in Asian culture, you always have to pay homage to your parents. So Baby J gonna know who exactly brought you into this world. And that doesn't just mean me and your dad. It means also your grandma, your grandpa, on both sides of the family. Jeezy and I were paying respect to Papa Mai, Mama Mai, and Papa Jenkins and Mama Jenkins by doing the tea ceremony where we bowed for the years of life that they gave to us in order for us to meet each other today. This is a beloved picture of Mama Jenkins, who is not here with us today to celebrate Baby J, but she will always be in Baby J's presence, watching over us like an angel. This is a picture from my very last trimester of Baby J. Look how cute he or she is with his or her nose, his or her closed eyes, whatever this weird little ear is coming out of the forehead. I don't know what's going on in the picture. And that's Daddy's nose. So you can already see like, you know, traits of ours. Putting little accents on the walls like this just give a little charm and accents of color, which I really like. Next thing is, everybody knows you have to get a rocker or a glider. I shopped this off of Black Friday and I was so excited about it because I saved money on it. Money, Hunnay. And I just love that it's gonna be great for rocking, for checking my Instagram, for posting cute selfies. This is a great place for Baby J and I to get to know each other well. A globe. Part of the theme to Baby J's room is traveling. Jeezy and I fell in love not only with each other, but with more of the world as we travel together. So I plan to sit here and talk to this kid about the amazing places around the world where we're going to take Baby J and discover, you know, new places that we haven't seen and visited. So I'm excited to show Baby J that. This globe is perfectly placed here because the first ever trip that Jeezy and I took as our baby moon so that we could celebrate our last few, you know, moments together before Baby J comes is in Santorini. That's our honeymoon and our baby moon and our first maternity pictures. And that was the picture that we used to announce to the world that Baby J is here. You see how lucky you are? You are a very expensive baby. Santorini, the world, you get it. Coming,
Collapse.
okay, coming over here. What was the theme to the nursery? Obviously, our favorite moments like our family, our grandparents, pictures. This is us at the baby shower in LA, which you guys got to see. I took you right into that. Animals, because we plan to take Baby J actually this year. I have a surprise for Jeezy, but I didn't tell him. I'm gonna take him to Africa. We're gonna go on a safari and be able to like spend time with our favorite organizations there. So Baby J doesn't know it yet, but we're gonna meet little friends like you. I just actually got this from my dear friend, Allie. We just decided her name today is Demi Wispies. Can you make it wink, Paul? Okay. Besides family and travel, the theme to Baby J's nursery is Baby J's actual name. You guys obviously know the name by now, but I wanna tell you the origin of Baby J's name. I thought Baby J's name should be a J name because obviously Jeannie and Jeezy like makes sense. But that wasn't the name that came to us. What really came to us was how Baby J came to fruition for us when we were dating. Right over here is a picture that I took on one of my travels with Jeezy. Literally where this car is, right there. He turned me around and he said, "What kind of life do you want with me? What do you want to do in this life? What dreams do you have? What is doing life for us?" Remember when I took that trip by myself to Lake Como? Well, I went here and I went specifically to this bridge because I wanted to relive this moment. It's special because It's the first place that Jay and I traveled to when we were dating. And it's the first place that we ever established what was going on with us. We had like a 3-hour talk on this bridge. So I decided to walk that bridge by myself. I FaceTimed Jeezy and we had the best date night talk on that bridge. My now husband, at a time when a year ago, I did not know what life could hold for us. I wanted everything, but I didn't know if it was okay to ask for everything. I didn't know if that was weird to ask for everything and if I deserved it. At the time, I didn't know what it meant. I didn't know technically it meant marriage and having kids. I just know that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with him. I wanted to build with him. I wanted to grow with him. And I wanted us to bear fruit together. And I saw that it meant so much more than just kids. It meant like family and visions and hopes and memories. And it all happened here. So this picture was taken in Monaco, France, which is why this nursery is themed after baby Jay's name, Monaco. That's really the theme of the nursery, is what Monaco is about. Family, moments, traveling, discussions, important key points in my life and Jeezy's life that brought Monaco here. Because Monaco, if you've ever been there, it is a place that represents like glam and luxury and cars. Baby Jay also happens to have a little Bentley, just like daddy, which is really funny. Also, when I put baby Jay's name up, I pictured seeing something that just kind of like gave you a vision of what Monaco is. And these clouds were the best idea. It's actually my favorite part to the nursery, which are homemade clouds that Anissa and I worked on just a couple nights ago. 2 nights ago, we made these clouds. I actually saw them on Etsy first, and the woman wouldn't meet our deadline. So Anissa YouTubed it, and we were like, we can make these. The lanterns are going to be hot glued together in the shape of cirrus clouds, because I studied clouds in school. No, I didn't. I learned from one book. We want to make sure that we're using really different sizes of cotton. See? Ta-da! This kid is going to look up at these clouds every night and remember that the sky's the limit. Isn't that so good? I know. Welcome to Baby Jay's world. Thank you for being a part of our home. I'm gonna be sitting right there on that rocker reading every single one of the comments to every one of the episodes that you see. I'll be right here alongside of you guys in the process, and thank you for just giving me some space so I can enjoy Monaco in our life. We're slowing down the pace a little bit so that I can enjoy more time with Monaco and family. So you'll see 1 new episode every 2 weeks. So please, please, please subscribe, because it lets you know with that notification bell that a new episode is out. Also, when I do go live, maybe with Monaco, you guys are gonna be the first to know. So please do subscribe. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just arrived from the UK. This is the first time I'm ever seeing the baby's name in bright lights. Oh my God. Do we press down? I'm so proud of it. I'm proud of the clouds. I'm proud of the name. I'm proud of everything.
This mama's ready.